Hello. Welcome to the INSEVIS video tutorials. My name is Fabian. Today we're taking a look at the new rights assignment and rights management for IIoT devices. To show the user authorization and authorization groups, I have prepared something here. A small visualization with just 4 different operating options and a logout button. That's everything there. Here in the authorization groups, I have the operator group that can operate the adjuster group, which can operate and adjust. The maintenance group that can operate, adjust, and maintain. The data collection group can only collect data. Continue from here on the configuration page of the gateway or the edge HMI. Here the menu point user. Here are the users that I have prepared exactly according to these groups that we have stored in the VisuStage. They then also have the corresponding authorization groups that we have stored in VisuStage. The maintenance technician, the maintenance group, the user, then the user group. Then there is the default user who has no rights at all. We'll see that in a moment. I'm logging off here as admin and don't log in at all. Now I'm just logged in as a standard user. I have no operating rights at all. As we can see, if I now want to log into the WebVisu here, I simply press an element and the login screen appears. I can log in accordingly, for example, as an adjuster, or of course as a user. As a maintenance engineer, then I have the appropriate authorizations and can use the devices. I can also be the data collector here and can then only analyze the data. Something else to bear in mind when logging back in as an administrator, you have all rights in any case, both in the web visualization and in the gateway configuration. This means that I can access it everywhere. You should bear this in mind and not simply give administrator rights to anyone. Of course, it is up to the user to decide whether to give groups with a few individual rights or whether I have a few groups with different rights. More than now here is where one person has 3 rights over a group, or whether I prefer to make 3 groups in which the right is in order to then put this person in 3 groups instead of just 1. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in one of the next INSEVIS video tutorials.